Good afternoon. So the next part after you create an inventor file or inventor part is how do we go from having a great idea in our computer assisted drafting program and actually get it so that we can manufacture it or produce it with one of our 3D printers. So this tutorial is going to be on taking a IPT file and converting it into an STL file so that we can print. So we have a funnel here, which is going to be an obstacle used in our 8th grade projects where they make a marble skate park. In this funnel, you can make different appearances using the appearance browser above, and you have all kinds of different options, and that's why this funnel looks a little bit like a metal funnel. Anytime you can make your projects look more appealing and like the real thing, it's always a benefit. So anyways, we're sitting here in an IPT file and we want to export our file so that we can 3D print. So we're going to go up to the capital I, the inventor I, and we're going to scroll down to export, and we are going to export into a CAD format, and a window is going to pop open. And this file is where the folder in which the project has been associated with. I'm going to actually change that and just put it on our desktop for now, or USB if you want to put it on one of your USBs. Ideally that works best for students, but I'm going to put it on my desktop, and then I'm going to come down here and make sure that this says STL file. An STL file stands for stereolithography file, or a layered file. So what this is going to do now as we export it, it's going to actually take our part and layer it so that the 3D printer can read those layers, and 3D printers print in layers, so our 3D printer will be able to read it and produce it. We're going to rename it, so we can rename it funnel so you understand what part you have there. And now I'm going to click options because I want to make sure in my options that the units I use to create my part are the same as the units in which the export is going to take place. So I make sure it's in inches, and then I go down. I have some other tools here I could look at, and I never mess with those. I just hit OK, and now I save my part file to the desktop, and then if I go to my desktop, you'll see that you have a STL file ready for the 3D printer.